The Uplift app brings all your favorite brands together in one place. Scroll through our most popular stores or browse by category. You can also use the search box at the top. Tap on the store you're interested in. You'll be brought right to their online store, where you can shop just like you normally would. Find the items you want to purchase and add them to your cart. Once you're ready to check out, look for your total purchase price, then tap Pay with Uplift at the bottom of the screen. Enter the amount you want to spend, and we'll create a unique virtual card that works just like a normal payment card, but with one difference. It's one-time use. You'll use this at checkout instead of a physical card. The app will ask you if you want to add a buffer to cover tax and shipping. Then we'll show you offers for different payment plans. Choose one, and your one-time card number will be instantly available to use. Tap to copy and paste the details right into the store website and complete your purchase. It's that easy.